Hello everyone, today I am going to show you how to recover Facebook permanently deleted account. Let's go to the video. First open the Chrome browser and search on the facebook.com/support. After clicking that interface is there, click on the first option account setting. Then scroll down and click on the was this helpful tag. Click no. And select the other option. I mention my description. You can copy and paste it. After paste successfully, you can click on the submit option. Once you click on the submit option, Facebook will automatically within 24 hours recover your account. And don't forget to change your phone number and email. Then don't forget to subscribe my channel.